Hey guys, welcome back to the Storyville YouTube channel. This video we're going to do a little what's in the box. So I picked this up at a thrift store yesterday, and if you can see the label, it was $15.29, but yellow tags were 75% off. So I paid, what, $3 or $4, something in that general range for it. So I thought we'd go through what all is in here. I haven't gone through it at all when it was that cheap. I just decided, hey, let's get it, go for it. And obviously I opened it enough just to see that there's a bunch of tools in there, but I have no idea what's in here. So let's take a look, go through it, and maybe we'll get something great. I don't know. So we got wood handle screwdriver. Wood handle tool is pretty good on eBay. You can usually lot them together. This is a, if I can read, matchless number 92, made in USA. Is that what that says? I have no idea. We got some, like, I guess we lineman pliers, I guess, and JFAL. Let's see if you guys can kind of see it right there a little bit. Just a chisel. It says Ryan Tools number 1. Another wood handle, Phillips wood handle split down the side. Lot these together, put them all on eBay as one big lot. The little Phillips. Got a file made by Stanley. Again, something I can lot together, put them all together on eBay. Oh man, these are all bent. How much can I get for a bent one? Could probably straighten it out a little bit anyway. This is Eklund Tools, made in USA. I kind of like these things. I don't know if I like this one in particular with the bent thing, but I have a non-bent one in my toolbox. Little nippers. I think I might need to move my light here or move the camera. Anyways, so this is, what brand is this? I have no idea. I can't find a marking on it. Don't know on that. Just a regular plastic screwdriver, Phillips. No markings. You know it's a good tool when there's no markings on it, because the brand was real proud of what they put out. No markings on that little yellow guy. Got a Allen here. Nothing marked on that either. Another Phillips. No markings. Oh, I know what this is. I know what this is. This is like a service wrench for, I think, garbage disposals. It says self-service wrenchette. Oh, food waste disposal. Yeah. Okay. I've had 3 of these before. 3 or 4. Usually comes in like a little vinyl sleeve. And I can sell that all by itself. Probably like $5 maybe. Little hammer. Hammer time. Let's see, wait. Is that even focused any better? Little hammer, no markings. Another one of these folding Allens. Same brand. Number 2811. So I can look that up on eBay, see if it's worth selling by itself or put together with other things. This just says drop forged on it. Another no-name screwdriver. These no-names I'll probably put in one big box in the garage sale and then just try and get like 25 cents a piece, or like with box ends or with sockets, you can put them on a wire, or if you still have metal hangers, and just put like 5 or 10 of them together and ask for a couple of bucks. Let's see. What the hell is that? GE. Oh, I gotta move this down because I just have a tendency to be down here more. The brand name is GEDORE, and it's a number 14. Actually, and it's made in India. I don't know how many tools I've seen made in India. That's kind of neat. Got a little 1/4-inch ratchet with a socket on it. The socket just says Taiwan. Some of you guys really like your Taiwan tools. I'm not a fan. Maybe I'm just not in the know about the Taiwan, but then we got a Stanley Professional. It's got the model number on this side, so I'll be able to look that up, see if it's worth selling. Seems good. Doesn't seem like there's any teeth broken or anything. Oh, got a Mac. Too bad it's so damn tiny, because Mac's good brand to resell. A 7/16 and a 3/8. Another one that says just drop forged, nothing else on it. Used drill bits, not worth anything. Another Taiwan socket. And a Great Neck slotted screwdriver. Be another garage sale one. Probably make a good chisel. We got Needle Nose Utica Tools. So this is another thing I could probably sell by itself. It'd be nice to find a couple Uticas all together, or maybe put them with those little nippers. We got PF. I don't even know what PF is. Another Taiwan. Chisel. Put the chisels together. Little air gun. Looks a lot like, well, Harbor Freight and a bunch of brands all have the same one. Probably works fine. Another China Durabuilt. Ace, a 17 combination wrench. Let's see, Duratest? I've never heard of Duratest. Another Taiwan tool, 6-sided. Allen, not worth anything. We got a bit of honey. You need a bit of honey. Gonna have that for free. Another little tiny generic screwdriver. I don't know what this is. Wood handle with an ice pick or something sticking out of it. Let's see if we can get in there. There we go. Huh, comes out. I don't know. Another just drop forge, no name on it. So the nice thing is when you're only $3 into it, it's not going to take much to get my money back. Garage sale, I'll probably put the box just for like $2. It's kind of beat up, but it'll still sell, and heck, that almost makes my money back. That's a Taiwan. Got a little Torx screwdriver. Another one of these. Which way am I going? Here we go. Service wrenches. It's nice to see because I know I can sell that. Got a no-name ratchet, so that's not worth anything. Oh, and it's jammed up. Oh, there it goes. Just crappy is all. Alright, what else we got? Extension. Kmart Auto. They're going out of business. This is going to be a collectible soon. And we got another punch. Not for impact use. Oh yeah, I like it. Yeah, okay. Wear safety goggles for lineup use only. Oh, Craftsman. Well, that's good to see. If we can get a couple more Craftsmans, we'll lot those together. What the hell is this? What is this? Looks kind of like vice grips or locking pliers, but you can see as you wheel it, that little thing in the middle's going up. It says BMC Manufacturing Court number 7. Nice thing about tools is once you get the number, you can look it up, see what you got. MIT, Michigan, Massachusetts Institute of Technology. You think they made it? It's made in China, probably not. Someone's house key. If we knew where they lived, we could steal all their shit. I don't know who it is though. Another punch. This one looks kind of beat. See, you got a nut. Got another little file. Bit. It's actually in good shape. I'll probably keep that and just throw it in with the other ones I got. So that's not in bad shape. Throw that off to the side. Alright. What else we got? We got another socket in here. Too bad all the sockets have been Taiwan. Got another Allen. We're not too crazy about. True Value razor knife. You know, that's kind of old. That might actually be worth something. You get someone who collects True Value stuff, and they might want that. So it might be a seller. Got one more file in here that's broken on one end. Alright, other than a few nuts, that's the top piece, which is most of it. Got some adjustable pliers here. Actually says Roco, R-O-C-O. I don't know what that is either. Japan. More plastic screwdrivers. No brand. Another plastic screwdriver. No brand. And what is this? Is this money? What does that say? It says 1 cent on it, but it's not a coin I've ever seen. Where's this from, somebody? Let's see if we can... Come on. I don't know what that is. We'll put it off to the side. Maybe someone knows what kind of coin that is. I know I don't. Got one of these goofy bastards. You ever seen one of these before? Never bought one intentionally, but I get them in these things with the socket on one side and a wrench on the other. I guess it's kind of neat. Taiwan again. And we got it says Made in USA on this side, and then just says Forged Select Steel. Well, first iterations of ratcheting wrenches. It says Pro Taiwan. And then we got another one that says Forged USA. Oh, Industro. That's a good brand. Of course, the wrench is bent. I don't think it's supposed to be like that. Man, there's some nasty stuff at the bottom of this thing. Another Made in USA. 3/4 and 5/8. I don't see a brand name. Little nut driver guy, made in Japan, 3/8. It's kind of cool. It's got that end on it. Another Taiwan socket. Don't care about. Oh, it says 12 on it. I'm assuming that means 12 millimeter, but I guess it doesn't have to be. Probably a tool to like angle grinder or some crap like that. I had to put that off to the side in case it fits something I own. We got, holy shit, J.C. Penney. Okay, who knew J.C. Penney made tools? J.C. Penney. Definitely didn't know that. Made in USA. That's cool. That's worth looking up. Maybe it's actually worth something, although I don't know. Got a whole row of different bits. I might keep that for myself too, just because you can never have enough bits. Another Taiwan socket. Thorson. Looks like they were trying to get $1.29 for it at one time, and I don't know, it's in the box. So that's cool. It's still in the packaging. 3/8. Well, I don't know. 6.3/8 drive, but I don't know what size it is because the sticker's on it. That's cool. And we have a Fairmount Made in USA wrench. Little nut driver. It says Made in USA. Come on, where's the brand? No, don't see a brand on it, but it does say Made in USA. Got another Thorson socket. Pair of scissors. Some of these scissors actually are decent. Of course, this one's been in a toolbox and kind of beat up and shit, but no markings on it. I was hoping it'd say like Made in Italy or something. Craftsman. A regular screwdriver. Might keep that. No name screwdriver with a bent tip. Bet you guys will never guess where this one was made. Oh, cool little keychain. What's it say on it? Fort McDowell Casino. Casino stuff, maybe. Could even actually be worth something. Made in China, drop forged. 9/16 wrench. Got another Master Mechanic screwdriver. Made in USA, drop forged. What does that say? Something steel. Someone spit on this thing for me. Controlled steel. I don't know what controlled steel is. Honda wrench. I don't know if I've had a Honda wrench before. That's kind of cool. I'll have to look that up. Looks like it says RK on the back, 10 and a 12 millimeter. Drop forged, made in USA. Little tiny screwdrivers for working on glasses or something. Kind of a cool little guy. No brand name, but it does have a long ass model number on there, if you can see that. So that'd be something worth looking up. What is that? That was a drop. I don't know what that is. What is this? You think that was alive at one time? That's gross. I'll throw that out right now. Okay, let's see. We got another Taiwan. That's it, other than dirt. Another Taiwan socket. I probably got a whole set of the Taiwans. You guys like them? I have to do a giveaway of Taiwan sockets. You guys want to do a giveaway on that? You can have them. Drop forged China little wrench. And the last thing, a little handle to something. I don't know what. So that's it, guys. That's what was in the box. You can see everything else is just dirt and nastiness. Don't see a brand name on the box. That's why I think probably $2 in a garage sale. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like. Subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. If I get another box full of stuff, this usually comes from like auctions. So next time I'm going to an auction, I'm sure I can get something. And we can look through it if you guys enjoy digging through shit with me. Thanks for watching.